How to post a picture on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you post picture or photos on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the top right, tap on plus icon. From the section, tap on post. And from here, simply to add or post with a picture, you'll have to tap on photo or video. And from here, simply select your picture. After you select it, tap on next at the bottom right. And from here, at the top, simply you can say something about your picture or you can add any captions. After you add any captions or add your necessary settings like tag, your filling activity, tap on next at the top right. And from here you can also go with the settings like scheduling option, share to your story. Simply from here tap on post at the top right. Alright, as you can see the post has been uploaded. In this way you can also upload a profile picture or any kind of picture on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.